According to Elliot, he says that you hit him on the head with it. And that's what Elliot says.
Yeah, but I didn't. She did.
And so he says he was entitled to grab the wand and break it. He was acting in self-defense. Evie, I think that if Elliot was being hit by your wand, he should have told a grown-up. And so he wasn't entitled to break your wand. And so you win your case. You're going to get a brand new wand. I want you to do a spell if you can. No, don't duck. Was that magic? Now, I'd like to know that that was just the record, just in case I end up turning into a rabbit. Well, what was that spell? What did it do?
It gave you a wish.
A wish?
It seems to me that you're so kind and you'll use your magic for such good, Evie. And it seemed to me you might be entitled to something in addition to that wonderfully special magical wand. Let's have a look.
Let's have a look.
It's 2018, Friday at 9 on Channel 5.
I think the two
Get ready to get your fingers in a Twix. Chocolate breakfast for
I think if you get on with each other, things are going to be much happier. And maybe we'll find someone who has in the future. And everybody will be a lot happier.
Britain's favourite chocolate bar, Sunday at 9 on Channel 5.
Mommy! Daddy! It's Christmas!
Our favourite time is finally here.
Parade has started already. It's you right now, or else there is no Santa in Nicole's Thanksgiving dinner.
Happy Christmas. Happy Christmas.
Can I keep my wand?
Evie won her case and was awarded a new wand, princess dresses, and a trip to Lapland for herself and Elliot.
Elliot, our magic here. And Prince Scotland. Yeah.
Let's find out how they felt about today's ruling.
Oh my God. I'm on a dresser! I can't wait to go to Lapland. How do we take this off? I don't know how. I'll get it off. Can I wear it? And yet you're not bringing anything home. These are all mine.
Owen is in court to claim for a new tablet, which he says his friend Harris dropped, causing the screen to crack. Defendant Harris denies